Just like students, educators need time to learn these products and to learn how to teach these products. It's important for them to have access to experts that have the information they need when the need arises. I would encourage other districts, not only in Alabama, but really across the country, to look into the Firia lab products. When students are receiving this instruction at the middle school level, they're able to apply that later on, which helps them become college and career ready. If a student gets to a high school and has not had any experience with computer science, the likelihood of them enrolling in that AP course is very slim to none. We're excited to have that middle school kind of pipeline to spark that interest and to get more enrollment at our Career Tech Center as well. So my name is Rachel Evans, and I'm the Instructional Technology and STEM Specialist for Madison County Schools in Huntsville, Alabama. We are excited to share that we are partners with Firia Labs. We always apply for the Alabama State Department of Education Middle School Computer Science Grant. This year we applied, and Firia had actually sent out a template to use if anyone was interested in incorporating their equipment into the computer science curriculum. We knew that our middle school teachers and students were struggling in that area and needed additional resources and training to ensure we were meeting those students' needs and they were prepared for careers or high school courses later on. We have 8 middle schools in our district, and so we have had 8 computer science discoveries teachers with us for 2 different training days, and we have been incorporating their Codex program into our curriculum. This is exciting because I don't think we've ever done Python coding in our middle grades, and this partnership with Firia has really helped us exceed any expectations that we had previously. They provide hands-on training, in-person training, and they're there to help at any time. They're just a call away, an email away. It's important for us to make sure all of our schools in the district, all of our middle schools, have access to this because we are trying to create equity across our district. We know that in the area of computer science, sometimes females and sometimes minority populations don't have access to this type of learning and these types of curriculums. So we want to make sure every single student in our middle schools has access to this. And so that's why we've gone district-wide with this. The legislation regarding computer science requires all of our middle schools to have highly trained facilitators for those courses. And Firia Labs has helped us make sure that we're meeting that legislation. If you don't know where to get started, or if you're kind of nervous about partnering with Firia, or if you don't even know where to start, just reach out to them. They have an education specialist also who will help you write grants to get these resources. I know funding is always an issue, especially with public schools, but their education specialist actually partners with us and we work with her. She has sample applications for a couple of big grants that we have around here that are very easy to achieve and to get that funding for, to provide this for your district. So definitely reach out to Firia if you have any questions, because that's what we did.